Hello everybody, I'm Farshid and I'm gonna talk about how to install Dragon and other components on Linux operating system. Let's get started. Before installing the package, you need to make sure that you have Gfortran and make installed. If you don't have Gfortran and make installed on your device, simply open the terminal and type sudo apt install Gfortran. Press enter your password. Press enter. This will install Gfortran on your device. Now to install make, type sudo apt install make. Press enter. This will install make on your directory. Now go to your web browser. Go to this website www.polymtlca/merlin/version5.htm. This will lead you to this page. If you scroll down, you can see the tag versions of the version 5. Simply download any of this tag version. If you click on the TGZ, you can directly download the file. Wait for it. See, if you press OK, this will download it. You will also need some cross-section file to run your codes. To download the cross-section file, simply click here. This will lead you to the Dragon cross-section library. If you scroll down, there are Little Indian libraries and Big Indian libraries. According to your systems, you need to download whether you will use Little Indian libraries or whether you should use the Big Indian libraries. For my case, I'm going to use a Little Indian library. You can just download just any one of them. So I have already downloaded the files. These are here. This is the cross-section file and this is the package file. Now you have to extract the package. To extract the package, simply open terminal on this folder. To do this, click on the right side of your mouse and go to the open in terminal. Type tar xvfz space name of the package file. The name of the package file is version 5 underscore v5.0.6.gz. Just type that here. Version 5 v5.0.6.gz. Press enter. You can see the package is being extracted now. The package extraction is done. Now you can close this. Now make another folder called libraries. Cut the cross-section file and put that in the library. Make another folder in the library named L_Indian, as I am using L Indian library. If you are using Big Indian library, just simply use B Indian library. Create. Now put the cross-section file in the L Indian library. Go back, go to the extracted package file, go to Dragon. Open a terminal there. Now type make. Press enter. This will start the installation process. Now the process is done. Next, you need to type make space clean. Press enter. So the installation process is done. I hope this video helps you. Thank you.